Today, we're going to talk about Rank's model of persuasion, which is a model that describes how people intensify and downplay various different parts of their persuasive messages. And this information comes from a book called The Pitch: Persuaders as Benefit Promisers by Hugh Rank himself. So Rank's model of persuasion essentially describes that whenever people are acting in the role of a persuader, whether they are advertisers, political advocates, or really anyone, you can expect them to intensify their own good aspects and downplay their own bad aspects. You may also see people intensifying others' bad and downplaying others' good, but we'll get into that more in just a moment. Hugh Rank calls this the intensify downplay schema, and it's largely become known as Rank's model of persuasion. And according to this schema, the most common means of intensifying something are by repetition, association, and composition, whereas the most common means of downplaying something are by omission, diversion, and confusion. Now, we're going to break down each of these different pieces of this schema in the following slides. But ultimately, Rank's model of persuasion says that we intensify the good things and downplay the bad things in order to try to get somebody to buy into our persuasive message.